The mouse climbed up to the nose of the bull. As the bull snored, the mouse bit his nose madly for fun snake. But the bull woke up and snorted, "Who bit me and woke me up?" The little mouse replied, "Sorry, Mr. Bull. I bit you playfully, but it was not my intention to wake you up. Please excuse me for my mistake." The bull got angry. He started to chase the small creature. The mouse began to run for his life. At last he found a small hole in a stone wall. He ran into the hole and waited to see what the bull is going to do. The bull came dashing up to the wall. He was not able to catch the mouse. He roared, "You silly creature. 3 teach you a lesson," and dashed against the wall. The wall was too strong for the bull. The bull heard the mouse saying, "Why are you breaking your herd for a small thing?" Saying this, he left the place immediately. Moral: mighty is not always right.